Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online in Kenya through M-Pesa using the TechHood affiliate program. So TechHood is an online learning platform for digital entrepreneurship, and the affiliate program allows you to make 50% in commissions when you refer students and instructors to use this platform. So once you have joined a membership, you will have access to your affiliate dashboard. What you're going to need to do is to click on the hamburger menu at the top right corner, go to your dashboard, and it will bring you to this page. This is your dashboard. Next, you need to click on the hamburger menu at the top left corner, and it will bring you to this page. Where it says My Space, click on Affiliates and click on Invites. Here, you will have access to this particular link. You will be able to click on this link, copy link, and you can share that link anywhere on your social media accounts. And when someone joins a membership through your special tracking code or through your affiliate link, then TechHood will pay you 50% in commissions. So we have 3 different memberships, and your commissions will range based on the membership that you have referred the student or instructor to join. So if you have referred a student to join membership A, you will be making 1,000 shillings. If you refer a student to join membership B, you will be making 1,500 shillings. If you refer someone to join or an instructor to join membership C, you will be making 2,000 shillings. So that's how this affiliate thing works on TechHood. Now, once you have started getting your invites, you will notice that your invites will populate here, so you can track every single person that has signed up and every single person that has activated their accounts or that has activated their memberships. Remember, the memberships allow you to have access to different trainings based on the membership that you are on. If you want to learn more about how the affiliate program works, go to our website, TechHood, and make sure you click on learning more about the TechHood affiliate program. There's a video there that explains this in detail. The next thing you need to know is if you click on wallet here and click on activities, here you will be able to see how much money you have based on the number of people that you have referred to join the memberships, and also based on the number of people that you have referred to join any course or any ebook, because the affiliate program is not just for membership but also for the courses. And I'm also going to show you how to refer people to courses in just a little bit. So the next thing you need to know is that you get paid every single Friday, and once your wallet balance reaches 1,000 shillings, which it should really quickly, because the lowest membership, the least you can earn is 1,000 shillings as an affiliate, you will be able to receive your money through M-Pesa. Now, let's assume that you want to refer someone to a course that's created by TechHood. You would need to click on courses here in My Space, click as affiliate, come over to any of these courses that we have. At the moment, there are 2 courses here. Click on the one that you want to refer and copy the link. Click where it says copy link. So you need to copy paste that link somewhere else and save it, and you can start sharing that link with other people on your social media platforms, on Instagram stories, on WhatsApp, on YouTube. And we have an affiliate marketing handbook that will show you exactly how to market this product and exactly how to go about this process. We also offer support to our affiliates step by step so that you don't get stuck and so that you make the most out of this affiliate program with TechHood. So you can start promoting the courses as well, and you can also start promoting the ebooks. If you have any questions about our affiliate program and you want to get started immediately, go ahead and set up your account and choose a membership, and you can get started immediately.